Okay. You tuning in to Stock Pimp. We watching Sndl during market hours. Sndl's done took a little dip. Yeah, man. Market's moving crazy. A lot of stuff going on. Yeah. We watching Sndl during market hours. Got a lot of stuff going on. Biden done sent some hits. Biden done sent the hitters out. That affects the market, y'all. Come on. Let's go, Sndl. Let's go. What we gonna do today? Barbecue or mildew? Think we'll be all right. Let's go. If you tuning in, make sure y'all hit that like button. Let's get these likes up. We watching Sndl during market hours. Biden done sent some air attacks. All that affects everything, man. Market is feeling the impact of these attacks. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. What we gonna do? Barbecue or mildew? Looks like it's bouncing off that 200 moving average.
Acquiring marijuana. There are 4 basic methods of acquiring marijuana: buying it, growing it, receiving it as a gift, and stealing it.
Let's go, let's go.
Receiving marijuana as a gift. Getting grass as a gift is probably the nicest way of all of acquiring. There are a number of methods guaranteed to get you free grass.
Be very, very nice to everyone you meet.
Or look for people who are smoking grass. Go over and stand.
Yeah. If you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It's a new channel. Let's get these likes up, y'all. We watching Sndl during market hours. Biden done sent some attacks, which affects the market, in my opinion. So y'all stay cool, man. Y'all stay cool. Don't panic. Let's go. We're gonna do bounce off this 20. In case y'all wondering, I'm using a 2-minute chart, 20 moving average and a 200 moving average. And we got a lot of sales coming in right now, y'all. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit that like button if you're just tuning in. We watching Sndl during market hours. We'll see if we're gonna get out this little spider web we in right now. No. Let's take a look at these. Change the filter on this thing. Just look at anything over 10,000 shares. That's what's gonna be popping up on the right. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, hit that like button. Let's get these likes up. Let's go. We watching Sndl live, market hours. Trying to get out this little tangled web we weave. Let's go, let's go. A lot of selling going on. Let's take a look. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look at this whole chart real quick. This thing opened up $1.47. Took a dump at 130 and it's slowly recovering. We'll see what today brings. It is Friday. Let's go, let's go. Appreciate the likes. Let's get them. We watching Sndl live. And we trying to see if this thing gonna barbecue with mildew. It's a lot going on in the world right now. Biden done sent airstrikes, which I think has impacted the market as a whole. No doubt, Chris. Get that money, Chris. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Are we gonna barbecue with mildew? This thing took a dump today. Zoom in a little bit so y'all can see. Very little buys coming in. But yeah, there's a lot going on. So I wouldn't panic if I was y'all. Better let things calm down. Sndl's all over the place right now. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the beats. Straight out of Newport News, Virginia. He'll be providing entertainment for this stream. Shout out to all my stock twits, MFers. You know who you are.
What a real butterball. Either I get a strike or strike out. Gutter ball. Rocket like gear for the fall with nice inside pockets prepared for the brawl. Yeah, y'all.
Let's go, let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe. Helps keep the channel alive. Yeah. Let's take a look at GameStop. Let's see what GameStop did. Real quick, little sneak peek. We'll be right back. Oh, wow. Hit a low of 86, bounced back up. Okay, let's look at AMC. Man, AMC's down here at $7.92. Looks like it want to work its way up. But let's get back to Sndl. We'll come back and check on those in a little bit. Look at this crazy slope we got going on here. I think we might see a little pop in the after hours. We already hitting the bottom of the RSI. Skipping along. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Tune in to Stock Pimp. Well, we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us, you dig? Shout out to all my stock twit people. All my day traders, swing traders, scalpers. Everybody's welcome. Bull, bear, no shorts. It's like I'm just playing. I don't discriminate. Anybody's welcome. Everybody entitled to their opinion. But let's stick to the facts, y'all. What you think we gonna do? Barbecue or mildew? I think with Biden's attacks and all that, I think it might have hurt us a little bit. We'll see. Let's go. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, hit that like. Let's help push this stream out a little bit. Really does help the channel out, y'all. Nothing better to do than just sit here and watch Sndl. Let's go. We watching Sndl live during market hours. We trying to see if this thing's gonna barbecue or mildew. Let's take a zoom out. Let's look at the large picture. Thing dropped, hit a low of $1.24 in the pre-market, and it bounced all the way up to 140, 148, 146. Then it took a dump, bunch of sell-off. Then it recovered, hit another top at the 143, bounced back down, thinking we might retouch this down here, which it seems like we are hitting it right now. Let's see if we get a bounce. Let's go. Shout out to Elliot. Thanks for the like and the share. Let's go, let's go. Shout out to Bram on the beats. Bram Stoker, y'all. Links in the description. Looks like we testing this bottom again at the 132. Are we gonna bounce from that? Let's draw a line right there for now. Let's see if we gonna bounce from that. Yeah. Be right back. Let me get a drink. Still bouncing off the line. Call that my little trampoline. Let's see if this trampoline works. Here's a cool fact. One of Sndl's founders, Edward Hellard, still owns millions of shares. He injected $10 million into the company at the IPO, and in exchange for common shares and warrants that are 3 years from fall of 2019. The warrants are priced at above $15. It's in the SEC filings, in case y'all want to look it up. That's awesome. He ain't going nowhere. A lot of support down at the 130 area, 132, 131. Let's see if we're gonna get some bounce. Let's go. Let's go. Break. More volume. Let's check this out over here. Change this filter real quick. Move it up to 20,000. See what we got here. Bounce. Come on, come on, come on. Shout out to IBO Venus Fly Trap. I just bought 10,000 more shares. Let's do this, Perma Bulls. It's time to make these shorts run for cover. There we go. We got a nice little pop over that 20 moving average. Okay. We got a 250,000 share buy at the 134. Let's go, let's go. We live, we watching Sndl. Growers. Company out of Canada. Doing their numbers. We waiting to see if Sndl going barbecue or mildew. Or what it will do. We need to get above that 200 moving average. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. If you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like Let's get these likes up. We watching Sndl during market hours. Biden done just sent an attack airstrike. I think one of those missiles might have hit the market. Come on, come on, come on. More buys, more buys. We need more buys, y'all. Need this thing to pop up over that 20 moving average and bounce off that 200 moving average. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. You tuning in to Stock Pimp. We watching Sndl live during market hours. Trying to see if this thing going barbecue or mildew. If you just tuning in, make sure you hit that like button for me. Really helps the stream out. Appreciate it. Shout out to all my people in Stock Twits. Shout out to all my people on Twitter. Let's go, let's go. Roll something up, put something in your cup, and let's go. Looks like there's some good support at that 130, 132 line. Let's see if we can get away from it. This is not a time to panic, y'all. We got a lot going on. Biden done sent the missiles out. I think that affects the whole market, in my opinion. So keep that in mind. Don't make any crazy decisions. I think that is impacting the market as a whole. Come on, we need a bounce. There we go. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look at this whole picture. Gray areas, pre-market. It hit a low of $1.24 and then just bounced. All the buys started coming in. Got to a high of like 146, 147. And then a big sell-off. And we done double tapped this bottom over here. Waiting to see if this thing is gonna take off. A lot of selling. A lot of people might not be wanting to hold over the weekend. Me, I ain't going nowhere. I believe in this company. I did my research. Get yourself educated so you feel a little more comfortable in your investment. When you're prepared, you're less scared, you dig? Yeah, roll something up. Fill something in your cup. Get your popcorn. We watch the Sndl live during market hours. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Let's go. We need this thing to bounce up. Pop his head up over this blue line, which is the 20 moving average. This is a 2-minute chart. Red line is a 200 moving average. There you go. We need that candle to close above that 20. And then we need another one to close above the 20 as well. And we should be breaking out of here. There's a lot of cheapy sales going on, man. If you bought at the top, I can understand if you're out of powder, you might not be able to buy now. But always try to keep some in reserve for times like this, because stock always does this. How many times do you buy and it drop? How many times do you sell and it go up? You see what I mean? Always keep some reserve so you can average down. Take advantage of these sales. Slowly build your position up. When I see a stock, sometimes I'll just buy one share just to keep it in my portfolio, and I'll watch it and I'll study it. And as it drops, I'll buy a little more. Keep my eye on it some more. But when I see a good dip, I load half the boat. If it dips some more, I leave it alone. I'll watch it. I'll wait for it to really dip. And then I go in with the other half. And after that, I leave it alone. Usually that puts me in a better position where I'm stay green. And as long as you green, you good. You can hold out. Wait for a little pop. Take your profit. Nothing wrong with taking profit. It's the name of the game. But for Sndl, I am long on Sndl. I'm in no rush. Averages at 52 cents. It can go up, down. It's done everything it's gonna do to me so far except drop below my average. And if it does, guess what I'm gonna do, y'all? I'm I'm gonna load the boat. Some more. So this 20 is like the baby, and then the 200 is the mama. The baby will stray away from the mama, but at some point it's gonna snap back. This gap that we got going on here normally tells me it might be a snapback coming. So we might see a little higher. Give you an example. Let's zoom out. Notice the stock cannot stay away from the 20. And the 20 cannot stay away from the mama down here. So when you see that stock separating away from that 20 like that, chances are that thing is gonna snap back to that 20. So keep that in mind. It'll tell you when to take profits. You see that stock separating away from this 20 moving average, you know at some point it's gonna snap back. When you see this 20 separate from this 200, if you notice this big gap of air right here, and it snapped back, look what it did. From way up here, it snapped all the way back. And in turn, that leaves a gap on this side. That's why we caught this little run here. Now we got a gap here, came back. Notice that this is downward. There's a gap on the downside, and it's snapping back to that 20. Right now we have a little gap here, and what did it do? It snapped back to that 20. But we got to keep in mind that it's also pulling away from the 200, so at some point this is gonna have to snap back. I'm not a financial advisor. I can only show you what I do. And I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm only telling you what I do. But yeah, I believe this thing is gonna touch and snap back. Hopefully we bounce off of that 200 and keep moving up. Let's get back. Let's take a quick peek at GameStop. See what GameStop's doing real fast. Just a little peek. So it hit a low of $86. Hit a low of $86 and snap back. Notice this big gap right here. The little baby's gonna have to get to the mama at some point. As you can see, this thing is pulling back. The stock pulled away from the 20, snapped back to the 20. Pulled down a little bit, snap right back. We're waiting on, there's probably a big move coming actually. Well, not a big move, but we gotta fill this little area up in here. Either the 200 is gonna come down and the 20, they're gonna meet somewhere here. So we should be getting a little pop here soon when you look at GameStop. Let's look at AMC. Oh, AMC's been dropping the whole time since yesterday. Got to a low of $7.43 and it's recovering. And we're holding right now at about $7.91. All right, let's get back to Sndl. We'll go check on them a little later. See what we got going on here. Is this thing going to snap back? Brian, a lot of support at the 132. Yes, sir. You see that line right there? That red line, that's exactly at the 32. It's where we touch down back here. That thing is holding really nice right there. Might have a little room to go down and then snap back up, but I'm thinking it's getting ready to make a move to the upside a little bit. Just my opinion though. I've been wrong before. Let's go, let's go. You tuning in to Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must, you dig? We're gonna see if this thing gonna barbecue or mildew. There's a lot going on right now with Biden sending them airstrikes and stuff. So don't panic. This is not a good time to be making rational decisions in the market. Market is acting a certain way. Let it throw its fit. Okay. If you just tuning in, hit that like button. It helps push the stream. You know what I mean? Hit that subscribe so the channel can stay alive. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only, the rest of phony, you dig? So roll something up, put something in your cup, and let's go. Uh-oh, here come the sharks. Come on now. Prove me right, prove me right. Hey. Yeah, y'all. Get your popcorn. You just watch it, man. That's it. We sit in front of the screen all day anyway. Might as well make it a party. You dig? There we go. We need that one to close above that 20. Zoom in a little more. I don't know if y'all can see well over there, but okay. It's getting tense now. We're gonna see if this thing gonna bounce. There you go. Come on, we need that one to close above that 22. In case y'all wondering, this is a 2-minute chart, 20 moving average and a 200 moving average. Got the RSI at the bottom and the volume right in between that. There we go. Need some more volume. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Helps keep the channel alive. We watching Sndl live, y'all. Roll something up, put something in your cup, and let's go. There we go. We should be seeing something to the upside here in a sec. That 20 gotta snap back to that 200. That 200 don't even look like it wanna move. A few little buys coming in. 50,000 shares. Couple 50,000 shares at the 134. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I swear, every time I draw my little trampoline line underneath, it starts trading sideways. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like button. We watching Sndl live. Roll something up, put something in your cup, let's go. Waiting to see if this thing's gonna barbecue or mildew. Come on, we need some more buys. I'm hoping since it hit the low already at the 124 that this thing will show us some kind of push to the upside in the after hour or something like that. Hopefully we get some kind of sign of life before the bell ring, you know, because it is Friday and some people don't like holding over the weekend. Some people want to be able to enjoy the weekend. Yeah. Appreciate the likes, y'all. Shout out to all my people on Stock Twids. Bulls, Bears, I don't care. Let's go bounce. Yeah. Got little volume right now. Just a little bit of volume. Yeah. You tuned in to Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks and try not to let these stocks pimp us, you dig? Yeah, there's a lot going on right now. I wouldn't be selling today. A lot of people probably gonna be taking their gains and starting over on Monday, you feel me? Yeah. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Let's go. I'm waiting for the snapback. I'm waiting to see this 20 moving average snap back to that 200. It's building something up right now. Hopefully to the upside. There we go. Nope. Let's get a bounce. Hey. Yeah. We still bouncing off that line. do. Let's go. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, if you just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get these lights up, y'all. We watching Sndl live. Seems to be trading sideways right now. Let's go, let's go. Some buys coming in. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. You just tuning in, hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe if you feeling the vibe. We watching Sndl live. Man, are we gonna barbecue or mildew? Let's go, let's go. Ram, what's up, what's up? Day's going good. I got no complaints, except the market. Yeah, market's funky today. Shout outs to Finland. Ram out there doing his thizzle. Is it gonna pop or drop? You see my trampoline? Every time I draw one, this happens. This wants to trade right there. Look at this big slope we got. Something big's coming. Yep, there it is. Made a bad buy this week. I feel you, man. It's all good. You never know. Oh, nice pop. I told y'all, this 20 is gotta snap back to the mama up here. At some point, she gonna snap back to the mama. She can't stay away from the mama. Let's go, let's go. That's big buys coming. Can we pop it up over the 200? That would be great. Let's go. And some more volume. We hitting the top of that 135. Oh, there it go. See what happens. That's what I like to see. Let's get out this hole we in. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Ram. I hope there's better days ahead for you, man. Yeah, I get a little nervous when I gotta jump in something like when it's up that high. Unless it's some like crazy news that just came out, you know. Yeah. Welcome to Stock Pimp. Hit that like and subscribe to help keep the channel alive, you dig? Come on, you can break that wall. We can break that wall. Let's go, y'all. There it is. It's got to get back to the mama. Remember, y'all. Do you remember when I told you that I bought Bull and Bear certificate? Yes. Yes, I remember. What happened with that? Oh, man. A lot of money. Damn, sorry to hear that. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, hit that like button for me. We live, we watching Sndl. You're looking at a 2-minute chart, 20 moving average and a 200 moving average. Roll something up, put something in your cup, let's go. Ouch. Damn, Ram. Man, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, I don't know too much about them certificate things. I don't know how it works, you know. Here come the big sell-off. Oh, man. Damn. Sorry to hear that, man. Come on, get rid of those. Something big getting ready to happen, I think. Let's go, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Hit that subscribe if you're feeling the vibe. Roll something up, put something in your cup. Let's go. We watching Sndl live, y'all. So you still got a little bit left, right? Ram. Try to be careful with that money, man. So it triggered the 6%. It automatically just sells, right? Yeah. We got a few little buys coming in. We're steadily bouncing off of that 20 moving average. That 200 doesn't look like it's moving much. It's a good thing. We need that 20 to snap back. I expect this thing to bounce. Let's zoom out real quick. Let's take a look at the large picture. So it hit a low of $1.24 pre-market, and that got bought up all the way to like 146, something like that, 147. Big sell-off, recovered nice, hit another high at 143. Now we just bouncing. We hitting this bottom over here at 132. There's good support right there. We're bouncing off this 20. We just need this thing to pop up over this 200. Hold for 2 candles, preferably. And we should break out of that. The 20 is the baby. The 200 is the mama. The baby will stray away from the mama, but at some point it has to get back to the mama or vice versa. So this thing is snapping back. We're gonna see if it's gonna hit this 200 and drop back down, or pop his head up over there and hold it. Oh man. Well, it just depends how, I don't know how they do the capital tax gains over there, man, but hopefully you have some left over, man. It's risky business, man. Yeah, I feel you. How much percent do y'all pay in taxes over there? Yeah, if you're just tuning in, hit that like and subscribe. Let's get these likes up. Really does help the channel out.
Times I feel so good. Yeah.
You could still report some losses though, right? Yeah. Welcome to the stream, y'all. You tuned in to Stock Pimp. And we watching Sndl live during market hours. We gonna see if this thing gonna barbecue or mildew. Or what it will do. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe. Helps keep the channel alive. Shout out to all my people on Stock Twits. Shout out to Ram in Finland. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, or yeah, something like that. Let's go. Bounce off that 20, baby. Let's go. Bounce. There's a lot going on in the world today. Our president is throwing airstrikes. Didn't even tell nobody. He could have warned us and told us. Damn. I think that affects the market. Right, got you. That's about kind of close to the same. It's not too different over here. Depends on where you live too, I think. Yeah. You're just tuning in, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe, help keep the channel alive. We watching Sndl. We're going to watch after hours too. But for now, we're going to worry about this before the bell. I think it's getting ready for a little pop here soon. We hit a low of $1.24 earlier. Something's got to give. Especially with Sndl. Such a good company. In my opinion. If you've done your research, you know. Know what you own. And definitely don't panic today. There's a lot of stuff going on. We're gonna have to let all this dust settle. It is the weekend though. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Tuned in to Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We don't let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must, you dig? Come on, bounce off that 20 for me. So what y'all think it's gonna do? You think it's gonna barbecue or mildew? Let me know in the chat. And that 30% is automatic payment if it's safe account. Jesse, what's your position and price target? My position is 52 cents, bro. And for real, I ain't got no price target right now. I'm thinking this stock can probably hit, I don't know, $5. I think we can get out of penny land for sure. And I'm thinking in the next couple of months, you know, But as far as price target, I ain't really got one right now, man. I'm in it for the long haul. Took a little bit of profit at the top, and now I'm just letting it ride, you know? But yeah, roll something up, put something in your cup, let's go. Make sure y'all hit that like button, helps push the stream out. I appreciate it. Shout out to everybody on Stock Twits. Yeah, this thing needs to pop up over this 200 moving average. This thing need to snap back. Yeah, I know a lot of people that bought at the top. Jesse, you think the company's trying to shake Robinhood day traders? How I've been feeling about this company. Diluting the stock till the flippers are gone. What you think? I think it's possible. There's a lot of funny biz. I got Ameritrade and I got Robinhood. And Robinhood, you know, despite of what's going on, it's user friendly. You know what I'm saying? It's probably the easiest one. I think there was some funny biz that happened. Luckily I was just watching, but when it halted and all that, my whole screen filled up green, like all the buys coming in, and it just halted, and I was like, you couldn't buy no more, you know. So of course it gave an advantage to them to be able to sell, which I think was kind of funny, you know. That's not how it's supposed to go. If you're gonna halt it on both sides, you know. Don't you supposed to stop the game. Don't pause it and then let them score the goal. You know what I mean? But as far as the company goes, you know, I think a lot of they're shaking the trees right now. So I would buy, if you did your research on this company, you would know to just buy and kind of just let it ride. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna go through its ups and downs. But if you in it to, like, you know, catch a few little scalps or stuff like that, this company's doing a lot of that. There's a lot of ups and downs with this right now. So if you play it right, you can make some money like that. You know what I mean? I know the shorts have been killing this stock, you know, but, you know, it's our time coming too, you know? So if you bought at the top, just hang in there. We coming for you. I think this stock could be $10 maybe in the year. We'll see how it goes. We got a lot of good stuff coming in these next couple of years, you know. This is early time, you know. Never know. They legalize it from one day to the next. This stock could go through the roof, you know. I'm just happy I got in when I did. I got lucky. I really did get lucky. I bought a little higher than that and I averaged my way back down. So I got it as close as, and then it just popped up and never came back down. But I had some error in brain or something when I get that loan at my bank account. All that I needed put in the safe investing account, but I had the errors, so I did not sure which one it was. Am I in any other marijuana stocks? Nope. Nope, I'm not. This is my only, you know, I had a bunch of other stuff. I was in Cebus for a while, a long time ago. I had Aurora, you know, a long time. I wish I'd have held Aurora for real. But yeah, I got out. But now is the time. Now's the time. This is probably one of the cheapest marijuana stocks. You know what I'm saying? And I don't see it getting any cheaper. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Helps keep the channel alive. Roll something up, put something in your cup. Let's go. What's your average on here, Jesse, if you don't mind me asking? Oh man, that's not bad, man. That's not bad at all. I think 132 is a great entry. If you're just now buying, yep. You watched it, it hit the low. Let's zoom out real quick. Let's take a look at this. You bought at support. That's good. You bought at a good support. I always save a little extra dry powder on the side just in case this thing want to dip down and catch a nice little dip and just buy them up, you know, snack on them along the way, you know. Before you know it, you got a really good position, you know what I'm saying? Oh, mostly calls. Got you. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with the calls and all that. I'm no professional in any way, you know what I'm saying? I trade old school, man, just buy low, sell high, you know what I mean? And long term and stuff like that. But I love watching stocks. I sit here and watch this stuff every day anyway. I might as well stream, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, 132, you'll get that. And your target is at 150? Yeah, definitely. And it expires in March? Yeah. Yeah, that to me, I think that's easy money. Cause we got we got 5 more days left, 6 more days before we hit March. I honestly believe that will hit. It might hit soon. So when it hits, does it close out automatically? Does it sell? What if it goes past that? Do you still make money? It's whatever it's above, and then I don't know. Does it, like when March hits, wherever the price is, as long as you're above 150, you good? I guess that's my question. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, hit that like button, y'all. We can get 10 likes. We can get 10 likes. We can get 10 likes. Let's get it, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. We watching Sndl live during market hours. I will be streaming after hours as well. But for now, we doing this. Till it close automatically if I'm above plus. So if you above that, you get all that then. You winning then. I think that was a good call. Yep. That's just my opinion though. But yeah, that's a good play. I wish I knew how to play it. A lot of my friends be telling me that I need to. But I don't know how to do it. I'm scared to try. I guess that's the only way you learn, huh? Yeah. You tuned in to Stock Pimp. I'm your host, Holy Moly. The one and only, the rest are phony, you dig? And this is Stock Pimp, where we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us, you dig? Ah, man. I'm sorry to hear that, Ram. Man, I hope your luck turns around, brother, for real. I'm in the money. I get to buy 100 stocks at 150 when the expiry is. So if the stock is like $2, I'm good. But if it ends at 149, I lose the premium. But that's it. You just lose the premium, right? In your shares. So it's not like basically you betting on it, and if you get it, you get the premium on top of that, right? For all the shares. And you have to own the shares first, right? Something like that. Yeah, we appreciate the likes, y'all. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the shares. You know what I'm saying? We tuned in right now to Sndl. We watching this, and it's looking like it's doing something right now. Let's zoom in. Okay, yeah, we still holding that right there. We need to break that 136 right there. I hear you, Ram. Yeah, if you just tuning in, hit that like button and subscribe to help keep the channel alive. I appreciate the vibes. We trying to break up over this 200 moving average up here. I put one of my little trampolines at the bottom and it seemed to do the trick. This thing bounced up. Let's see if it's gonna hold. That's how it be, man. One day you rich, the next day you broke. Yeah, the premium was only $8 for the call option. So that's all I have to lose per option. Got you. So what's that, 80? No, but if it ends up above $1.50, I can exercise the options and get 100 shares per option. Oh, that's interesting, man. Man, that's kind of cool, man. That's good money right there. And you get you get them at a cheaper price, right? Or you can choose or something. Different calls that they have. My homeboys are trying to explain it to me. I kind of understand a little bit, but I'm scared to try, you know what I mean? I'll get around to it though. They say I'll like that better, is what they tell me. Yeah. Shout out to Bram Stoker on the instrumentals. Straight out of Virginia. Man, this thing's looking like it wants to do something. Yeah, man. Hey, man, we live and learn, Ram. Some people get in the market and lose a whole lot, and the market scares them off. It's a dangerous place. Let's go. I'm hoping to see a nice breakout after hours. I think this thing hit the low. I think it wants to go back up. I think it really does want to go back up. But there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now. Biden throwing missiles over there. Shaking up the whole market. Market was already fucked up. Pardon my language. Let's go, roll something up, put something in your cup. Get your popcorn. All we can do is watch. Because we definitely ain't changing nothing. We just try to get in where we fit in. And hope for the best. Let's go, there we go. Pop up over that 200. Let's get it. We got a few buys coming in. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Let's see if we can hold that. Is it gonna hit the ceiling and come back down? Hey Jesse, you absolutely right, man. I was an MC, man. I was an MC back in my past life. That's funny. Yeah. Yeah. My stage name was H2O. Yeah. Some good times back then. Yeah, I'm like a stock DJ. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, yeah. Tuned in to Stock Pimp. If you just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Only if you feeling the vibe. You can hit the thumbs down too. We watching Sndl live, y'all. Come on, bounce back off that 20. Let's set up nice for this after hours party. Let's go, let's go. Roll something up, put something in your cup. Yeah, man. If you bought at the top, hang in there. Average down if you can. If you're out of powder, I understand. But just hold. Go find another stock to play with. It's a lot of red days. It's a lot of stuff going on in the market. Never sell on a red day. Only green ones. Let's go. We steady bouncing off that 20. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look. Telling you, man, the little baby wants to go back to the mama. That thing's snapping back. We'll see if it's gonna hit past that 200. Looks like it wants to come back down. It might have hit the ceiling right there. We need some more volume. I hear you, Ran. But you know, YouTube is crazy with the copyright strikes, you know what I'm saying? I'm using original music from one of my friends and I got permission. So I wish I could have some reggae playing in the background without getting hit with the copyright strike, you know what I mean? That's the only reason though. I feel you though. That would be perfect. Ja, man. Raskla. Here we go. Yep, I knew it. Let's see if we can recover from this. Yeah, all reggae here is the same, so that's not hard to do. Yeah, it's not. It's not. Right near the beach, boy. Yeah. Let's go. We live. We watching Sndl. You tuned in to Stock Pimp. Where we pimp stocks. We try not to let these stocks pimp us. Getting that green is a must, you dig? Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe. Help keep the channel alive. I think the after hours might be a move. Cause when I don't know why, but when I zoom out. When I zoom out, I look at this dip right here and the way it recovered right here. And then the sell-off. And I just feel like this is normal for today. After hours, I'm feeling like this thing might even hit a newer high from up here. We might break that 150. You might get to your mark before the end of the day. Let's hope. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed for you, bro. So bleep the copyright. Nah, man, they numbers is official. They will come for me, man. Come on. So one thing I hate about these masks, I always forget I got it on. Pulling my ears back this whole time. You say Zom? We in Power Hour, y'all. Watching Sndl in Power Hour. It's the weekend. It's Friday. 2:19 Central Time. Market close at 3 over here. Eastern Time, it's 4. Hey, man, that would be awesome, man. I'm rooting for you, man. Trust me. I know a lot of diamond hands in this one. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. I don't want to miss the boat. You dig? Yeah. I think Sndl's got some big plans. If you think about it, this would be their time to make a move. If they're gonna make one to push what they're trying to do, because with the new administration now and everything the way it could go, their chances are they can almost see the finish line. You know what I mean? So I think they're moving in that direction. Company's looking good. Over 600 million in cash, debt free. Company only does that when it's trying to get pretty, either to buy a company or get bought. You know what I mean? So you're trying to catch a date. You dig? Yeah, man. I hope you get that first payment, man. And hopefully pay the whole thing off. You know what I mean? That's goals right there. Get those monkeys off your back, you know? Everybody always want to put their hand in your pocket. Here we go. Tuned in, the Stock Pimp. We live, we watching Sndl. We got about 39 minutes left before the market closes. And then we go into the after hours. All right, let's take a look at AMC real quick. Little sneak peek. Okay. Doing something over here. What's it doing? It hit a low like $7 and some change, and now we up at $8.25. And it just hit at $8.50. Had a little sell off. We'll see if it continues or if it's gonna stop and just roll. I think this might kick up. I think everything is setting up for a nice little kick up after hours. Let's see if the market is moving that way. Let's look at GME. GameStop. See, GameStop hit a low of 86. Now it's up at 110. See, doing the exact same thing. All right, let's get back to Sndl. Yeah. Hey, that's what's up, Jesse. Thank you, man. Thank you for tuning in. I'm probably gonna cut the stream a little short so I can jump in right before the bell rings, you know, for the after hours. So I'll put the link in on Stock Twits. You know what I'm saying? If you catch it, just jump back in. Just make sure you subscribe, and then it'll alert you when I'm live again. But I'm probably gonna be offline for about 5 minutes tops, and I'll be back on. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I'm your host, Holy Moly, the one and only. Let's go. We need to get back on top of that 20 moving average. Hey, Ram, did you see GameStop? All right, well, I'm gonna cut the stream now. I'll be back in 5 minutes with the after hours live. I want to cut it now before we get close to the bell ringing. Oh, wow. Maybe they'll come back now. Hey, Ram, I'm about to start another stream in 5 minutes. So I'm going to get off of this one. Tune back in on the other one. We could chop it up some more. Shout out to everybody that tuned in. I'll be back in 5 minutes.